Today, we are taking a look at one of the latest premium apartment launches in Hyderabad. The project offers spacious homes, lower density, premium specifications, and a well connected location. In the next few minutes, let's take a complete look at the project, understand what it has to offer, and see whether it's worth considering. So, let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Flying Frames. Today we are exploring Terrace 35, a RERA approved residential project located on Lanco Hills Road in Manikonda near Khajaguda. Let's first get a quick overview of the project and then we will understand its location. Terrace 35 is spread across approximately 2.5 acres and features a 35-floor high-rise with around 280 apartments. Unlike many recent township launches, this project follows a boutique community approach with fewer homes. It offers only spacious 3 BHK apartments with sizes ranging from approximately 2,385 to 3,490 square feet. So the overall focus here is on larger homes, lower density, and a more private living experience. Now let's understand the location and see how well it's connected. Terrace 35 is located in one of the well-connected residential pockets of West Hyderabad. The biggest advantage here is its connectivity. From here, Financial District, Gachibowli, High-Tech City, Kokapet, and Neopolis are all easily accessible. Since this is already an established part of the city, the surrounding infrastructure is already in place, making it convenient for both everyday living and commuting to the nearby IT and business hubs. Now let's take a look at some of the key highlights of the project. To begin with, Terrace 35 has around 280 apartments, making it a relatively smaller community compared to other recent residential launches. For buyers who prefer fewer families, less crowding, and a quieter living environment, this can be an important advantage. The apartments are also planned as corner units, which help bring in better natural light, improved ventilation, and added privacy. Another highlight is the 11-feet floor-to-ceiling height, giving the living spaces a more open and spacious feel. The project also offers 10-feet wide corridors and 8 lifts for 8 apartments, which can make day-to-day movement within the building more comfortable. While each of these may seem like a small detail on its own, together they contribute to more comfortable living experience. Coming to the amenities, the project offers all the key facilities you would generally expect in a premium residential community. These include a clubhouse, swimming pool, gym, indoor and outdoor sports facilities, children's play areas, landscaped open spaces, and many more. The amenities are planned across both the podium and terrace levels, making good use of the available space within the project. Finally, let's talk about the pricing. The project is currently in the pre-launch phase with pricing starting from around 8,999 per SFT. Once the project is officially launched, the expected pricing is around 10,999 per SFT onwards. To get more details like the floor plans, availability, or to plan a site visit, feel free to call or WhatsApp us on the number flashing on your screen. So that was our complete walkthrough of Terrace 35. Like every project, it has its own strengths, and whether it's the right choice depends on what you are looking for in your next home. I would love to hear what you think about the project, so let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Flying Frames, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.